Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually ride a horse in Minecraft. So if you have a version of Minecraft that has a horse in it, it will be good for us to go. So now let's get at the open single player and let's go to your world, and I will show you everything from requirements, from how to ride the horse, from how everything in this game. So first of all, let's go ahead and spawn a horse and get some tool that will help us making the horse love us. So creative, like so. Nice. Now let's remove this and get a horse. So that's what you will need. A skeleton horse, a zombie horse, a horse, yeah, a normal horse, then a saddle, then I think carrots and some wheat. Something like that will be enough for us. So now let's say, for example, you wanted to ride this horse. Basically you can't really go directly and ride it if you don't have, first of all, a saddle. And let's say, for example, I did something like that. I can go on him, he might love me, he might leave me ride him, but after that he will kick you out, like so. Now he loves me, I think. Okay, he doesn't. Let's feed him more. We need to feed him, guys, so he will love you afterwards. So now let's see if he will let us. Oh yeah, nice. Now we can, as you can see, now he loves us and he will let us ride him. First of all, if you try to move, like now I'm pressing, I can't really ride him even if he likes me and he is mine now. But still, if you want to ride him, you can click on him, shift and right click, then you can put the saddle up on him, and just like so. Now I can ride the horse, I can do whatever I want, and you can actually feed him. Like for example, if you had him damaged, like he fall from somewhere, or something attacked him, you can heal him again while by using wheat and stuff like that. And yeah, you can actually add some armor if you found the leather armor. There is like leather armor, I think, and iron, gold and diamond armor. So if you found, you can make him weird. And yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.